Welcome to Easy Classes. This is a quick tutorial on how to enable the developer options on your Android phone. Yes friends, we can easily do that in a single simple step. Let me show you how. Okay, if you are watching my video first time, request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This is how you can support us. Open the settings app first, then scroll down. There you have to find about phone. If you do using the Samsung mobile, you will find the about phone at the end. If you are using another brand, you can find about phone in some other options. Find the about phone section. Then click on the about phone. Then scroll down. There you will find software information. Click on that. Now you have to find build number. Find the build number option. Then you have to enter 10 times on it. So click on 10 times on the build number. So let me do that. So once you're done, it will ask you to put your device pin. Let me put that. So once you're done, you can find developer mode has been enabled. Now let me go back. Again open the settings app and scroll down. There you will find developer options. Click on that. Now you can able to play on some other options, like you can enable USB debugging, you can revoke USB debugging, and some other useful options. That's it friend. This is how we can enable the developer options on your Android phone. Hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's meet in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.